So we've done lots and lots. We've been to see Nemo and listened to that. We've just been out into A Bug's Life. We've met Tarzan, and now what we've done is we were meant to go home now and then come back for our dinner at Tiffins later on. But as we went over to try and move it to make it a little bit later, so we could have a little bit of a rest, we decided that they could fit us in now, so we thought we'd go in now because we're both hungry.
She gave us the choice.
Yeah, she gave us a choice, so we got us in now. It's the same menu whether it's for lunch or dinner. So we're going to go have some food now, and then we're going to, which actually kind of works out better, and then we can go back, relax for a bit more, and then come back tonight for the safari and Rivers of Light.
Speak for yourself.
No, we've got to come back. We're going to see Rivers of Light again, and the safari. We'll do some because we've not done any safari today, and we'll do the safari, and hopefully by then it'll be a bit cooler as well. So that's a good plan, I think. I think that's good. I'm looking forward to some food actually. I'm very hungry, so I'm looking forward to some food. But I'm vlogging on my iPhone at the moment because my camera's died. Battery's died. Hopefully I still look beautiful as ever. But I'm looking forward to some food. This place looks really nice actually from what I can see through the doorway. So I'll try and show you a bit of it, what I can and what we order. I'm excited and I'm hungry for food. But yeah.
Dining in the Trek Gallery.
Thank you.
All the pieces in this gallery are inspired by travel in Asia.
Thank you. So we're into Tiffins. We've got our menu. I've not looked at it yet. I don't know what delights are going to be in there. Yes, I'm excited to eat some food. I'm quite hungry. And we're in the room inspired by Asia.
Sorry, I've lifted it up a bit too high.
We're in the room inspired by Asia. 72-hour beef short rib. Hungry.
So what delights have we got?
Well, I'm going to ask him what we're. I assume it'll be an entree and a dessert. But we're best just to double check with the dining plan what we actually do get. But I assume that's what it is.
Black-eyed pea hummus.
That's appetizers.
Oh,
It's hummus. What's that?
Yeah, the fourth one down.
Black-eyed pea fritters.
Oh, of course, I'm on the wrong page. These are extravagant menus.
Ooh.
Let's look at the desserts first, so we know where they've got to
Beef bolognese. I think I'll have that. Fancy some spaghetti bolognese actually. We shall see.
That's the desserts. That's a different menu, isn't it?
I'm sure you'll want some of it.
I know, but it's nice to know whether we have a starter or menu with a dessert.
Well, I'm getting the cheese.
Look at that, enhancements or Brussels sprouts. You could get them as an extra. Wow.
Good, thank you.
Wow.
So for the menu, we've got appetizers, fish, octopus, fritters, salad, mussels, lobster popcorn, Thai curry soup. Interesting. And then we're looking and eyeing up the braised short rib.
It's got the wine they recommend to go with it.
Bolognese. Home smoked wagyu beef bolognese. That sounds good. And we've got scallops, swordfish, pork tenderloins,
It's a
extras.
shame you can't have a glass of wine.
I don't like wine.
Potato corner. Very alright. Yeah, very elegant here.
So we've ordered appetizer. We've got a break selection here with some different dips, yogurt and some spicy dips, and then Mum's got the cheese plate with some, is it roasted almonds?
You did explain all the cheeses and the aspic jelly.
I'll leave that to you then. Right, let's dig
I haven't
in.
got a clue. To me, it's cheese is cheese.
Let's enjoy. So here's the main. I've got spaghetti bolognese, and this is the Wagyu strip and
Whatever it is, it's incredible.
pork. What was it? Ribs with potato
Well, they're
and
the
carrot.
wagon strips, and that's the ribs.
Lovely, very nice.
I haven't a clue.
Beautiful. Well, I've just had my spaghetti bolognese and most of it's gone. Mum's still gone back to the appetisers now. She's gone back to the cheese and the bread. But we've got the whole room to ourselves now. Everyone's gone and left us.
Doesn't it look elegant now?
There's no one left. We're having a really nice meal. We're very, very, very full. So because we were on the Rivers of Light package, we got an appetiser, main and a dessert. Obviously it is 2 dining credits still, but that's pretty good because most you only get one or the other, so that's really good. Good thing to notice. Whether that package will still be available by the time this video is up, who knows, but it's worth checking it out anyway.
Well, I will say though, can I just say the appetiser's nicer than the main meal?
Appetiser's lovely. We've got full up on them to be honest. We can't eat a lot anyway.
Right.
So an appetiser for us is enough, but obviously we got it anyway, so we thought we'd try it and see what was there and what it was like. But yeah, the whole room is to ourselves now. The bar's buzzing, there's lots of people in there, but we're gonna wait for dessert and see what's on the dessert menu. So I've got the chocolate ganache, chocolate stuff, and then you've got the
I've got the something.
lemon
Well, I thought
meringue.
it was supposed to be meringue, but if that's all the meringue there is, I'm a bit
That is a bit of
disappointed.
meringue. Cheesecake, wasn't it? Lemon cheesecake?
No.
Oh,
Oh, it is nice.
we'll find out. Tarzan's still there. There's lonesome. Bless her. So we've just finished dinner at Tiffins, and because we did the River of Light package, we've got the lotus flower little bowls. That's really sweet and nice. It's really warm out
And
still.
it lights up beautifully.
Lights up, and it's supposed to, like, obviously it looks like at the River of Light, one of the lotuses there. So we are stuffed. We had a nice slow dinner. 3 courses. Now we're going to roll back to Animal Kingdom Lodge.
I hope we can go tonight.
We will do. We've got a good few hours.
Once we hit that bed, we're not
No,
going
it's
to
about
wake
4
up.
hours yet. So we're heading back to the park now. It's sunny, and then head back to Animal Kingdom and have a chill out before we come back again. Do some safariing and some Rivers of Light again. We're back at Animal Kingdom Lodge now at Jambo House. It's so hot for 5 o'clock. I'm sorry I look a mess. It's just this heat is just taking its toll. I don't take any makeup to the park with me or hairbrush, anything. I try to literally just limit what I can take and just take a camera. So there is no freshening up throughout the day. So it is what it is. We've just walked back into the room and look what the maid did. Or the maiden. Housekeeping, should I say. Look, how cute. Oh, here we go. Greetings and welcome. Today I served your room and hope you're pleased and comfortable. Should you have additional needs, please get in house Samir. That's that guy, Mum, that we saw on the way.
Yeah.
Oh, look, we've got swans. How cute. Thank you, Samir. That's very sweet of you. Very pretty. I've never had that before.